Hi friends, welcome back to the Soul Tribe. And if this is your first time joining us, we can't wait to become a part of your meditation practice. Find a comfortable position, whether it be on a cushion crossing your legs or in a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground. Keep your back straight and your gaze relaxed. Eventually, close your eyes. Let your breathing become your focus. Letting the in-breaths fill your lungs, feeling your chest and belly expand, and letting your out-breaths flow slowly out through your mouth. Let us press pause on the day thus far and settle into this moment where we bring ourselves back to home. Start to feel those breaths growing deeper and longer, really appreciating the oxygen you're giving your body. This place you call home. And if your focus has wavered a little, don't worry. Let this act as a reminder to bring it back to your breath, inviting you to check in with yourself. Feel your face soften. Let your brow release any tension. Be at ease with your mind, letting any thoughts float in and out like a cloud, observing them passing you by. Feel your chest and stomach expand, Maybe move your hands to your belly to experience the rise and fall, grounding you in this moment, in the now, with your body. Let your legs grow heavy. Move your awareness down to your feet as they connect with the earth. You are safe because you are home. Your amazing body acting as your vessel, letting your soul shine and giving you freedom to be. Just remember that when you're feeling a bit lost or a bit absent, bring yourself back to your breath. Pause, ground yourself, and breathe. Our bountiful breath is what gives us life. We are home when we tune into it, when we are not our thoughts but rather the observer. As you breathe in, say to yourself, I am. And as you breathe out, say to yourself, home. In, I am, and out, home. And as we finish this session, bring your awareness back to the room. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us today and for coming home. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and we look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.